In Crughywel High School, we're really enjoying the new Advanced Skills Baccalaureate Wales course. We've made good use of the excellent online resources, the blended learning and the skills build in preparing our learners for the controlled assessment tasks. We like that the course is linked to the United Nations goals and the Wales Future Generations Act. This is relevant content for our learners. The tasks are really nicely linked so learners can see the flow and they can make connections, and they can also see how they can make a difference with the actions that they take. It relates to real life issues which the learners can explore, and they can select which ones are most important to them. The course enables them to create a passport of opportunity and experiences that is essential for when they are writing applications and personal statements.